Hey, how you all doing? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Engulfing, a full-time financial trader, crypto and Forex, and I'm also an IT specialist. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you one of the most crucial things which I personally used to face when I was just starting trading, but it is one thing which a lot of beginner traders are actually facing out there. Honestly, it's a technical analysis, but to make your trading more profitable, I'm going to show you how you can best read the candlesticks and how you can become a profitable trader by just understanding how to read the candlesticks. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And as for now, let's check it out. Yeah, so in this video, I'm going to break down technical analysis based on the Trendline strategy. I'll try to be more precise to the point a beginner can actually also understand this. If you maybe, let me say, you've been trading for a long time, but you're not making some reasonable profits, or you're still having fears on when to jump in an entry, or you're here and there. So this video is also for you. Stick with me up to the end, because there are certain things you will really love to know and learn from this video, especially understanding how the candle patterns work. So right now I'm just going to be focusing mostly on the trendline movement. Yeah, so hello everyone, welcome back to the video again. So as you can see, I'm taking a live trade right now, and it's exactly 11:11, one of my lucky numbers. So it's March 2nd of March, Monday. So today I've decided to take this trade. I hope it goes well, and the reason as to why I'm documenting it is because I thought last time that I wanted to try teach some of you the strategy I used and the strategy I built my bots out of. And right now you can see the bots have not yet sent me a signal. This is my personal signal. I just calculated the entry based on you can see the engulfing candle right at the trend line there, the red engulfing candle. That is what gave me my entry, and then I put my stop loss right above the wick, the longest wick right there. So if it crosses that, it's well and fine, I'll accept the loss, but that's not why I'm here. And again, let's see how the trade goes. So right now, as you can see, the lines I've drawn, my trend lines. These lines, I didn't just draw them today. They are actually continuation of some lines I drew in the past. So I always keep following these trend lines because the market respects the trend, especially gold market. Because of the current situation, even now the market is just climbing up continuously. So I maintain these trend lines to keep guiding me in my next trades and things like that. So yeah guys, this is a live trade I'm doing, and as you can see, I already showed you how much I'm in loss. Let me let the trade first do its thing, since it's a Monday also. I don't know how it's gonna end. So yeah, let me let the trade to run, and I'll come back later. I'll update you guys in case the robot also sends me a signal. Alright, the time check, it's exactly 12. I can see we are starting to cook now. The market is cooking. So we are almost hitting the break-even position. I know many of you might not understand that. Basically, when my trade goes halfway, I push my stop loss to the entry, and then I add another position, same size as the entry, so that when the trade reverses, I lose nothing. And if the trade proceeds up to take profit, I gain more. It's not greedy, it's just proper calculation. Yeah, so guys, let me let the market do its thing. We'll be back again. It's been a long day. Of course, as I told you guys, I was going to be doing my other personal stuff. So I spent the day trying to do some things. I just left the phone. As you can see on the phone here, it has already just hit the stop loss. Sorry, my mistake. As you can see on the phone, we've just hit the take profit, and then on the computer, on the lap right here, I'm extending this right here. As you can see, we have hit the take profit exactly as I told you. So what does this tell you exactly? This is just Monday, 2nd March 2026. It's just, I don't know when you're watching this video, but this was a live trade I took in the morning on exactly 2nd March, Monday 2026. As you can see, the dates are here. So I took this trade in the morning. Even I showed you how I entered, the reason as to why I entered in this trade and why I'm taking it. And the whole point of this video, I was going to do this video using an old trade, but like doing a back testing. But something told me, why would you do back testing if you're truly going to show people what or how this strategy works? So the best thing to do is you record a full trade from scratch, not like a back test or anything. It should be a trade from scratch. And on top of that, you can see my robots, they are doing very well. Oh, not this one. You can see it is already registered here, 1 win. Of course, every day these robots get to send daily analysis of how the trades are going. There are 3 robots right now actively running. So this one is called Forex Beast. Now the Forex Beast, it has a different strategy, that's why it didn't send a signal. For it, its strategy is different. Volatility Pro X works basically with their indices, that is the RIV indices. And then this Monster Pro, this is my favorite bot. If you go on my Instagram, you realize I advertise the Monster bot more than all my previous bots. So today, so far, since morning up to now, it's already now 5 in the evening. So far we have 1 win and 2 break evens, 0 loss. So win rate for today is 100%. And then these 2 trades are there are also some trades still ongoing right now. Here you can see. Now imagine these are just medium trades. Today's trades are all medium. Now, like sometimes you'll get trades where it says strong. Now all these trades I also receive them on my Telegram, though sometimes I disable the Telegram to focus on the computer only. So basically this is how the robot works. In case you want to use this bot, you can actually access it from my official website. Look at this, it is still falling, just as beautiful as you can see. It's still falling down. So this trade I didn't take it using the robot, but the robot also sent us a signal, the bot. So the bot sent us a signal which the take profit was this green line. I marked it with the green line as here. So yeah, you can go on my official website, which is alpha11.com. You can see it right here. It even has trading sessions in case you're a new beginner trader and you have difficulties in mastering these things. You can always come on my website to see which trade session is going on. It is a website that is powered by artificial intelligence, and there's so much I put into this website to help a lot of you out there who are upcoming traders or who are trying to take this thing as business. This website has some free tools which can actually assist you. For example, you can see free tools here available. We have premium lot size calculator, currency converter, Trendline identifier, standard lot size calculators, premium currency, and then Forex pip calculators. And also I'm going to be adding more tools because I'm a developer and I love building things. Especially I love to help people build things to make people achieve easily. So you can reach me direct on WhatsApp here in case you want something to do with consultation or account management. Details of account management is right here in funds management section. So you can always reach and see the details from here, and you'll be able to preview all the we always do 50-50. Like on that 50-50 doesn't mean that when I trade your account I get to take 50% including your capital. No, I just take 50% of the profit we have made. You also take 50%. You can take back your capital even after the trade, or we can proceed and keep building the account and make money together. So yeah, that's it, all the things I do. If you want anything, feel free to reach out.